Welcome back, friends. So in the previous video we have seen how to create a new account in Google Tag Manager console, and we have successfully created one account in the previous video. So in this video we will look at how to install this particular Google Tag Manager on a website. So at the end of the previous video you should be able to see that there has been a code that was generated, which you can see it here. So what you need to do is you need to copy this code and you have to paste this particular code right after the opening of the body tag. So for this purpose I will be using a website called ayaka.co.in, where I have installed WordPress. So in WordPress it is pretty easy to install a Google Tag Manager. So you have two options to install Google Tag Manager on WordPress. You can either install a plugin or you can directly paste the code on the theme files. So I'll take the easier way. I'll add a new plugin. So you just need to search for Google Tag Manager. So you have a couple of plugins which you can install. So I would suggest you to go for the Duracell Thomas Google Tag Manager for WordPress, which has a lot of other features which we can discuss later. So I'll just go and click install now. So meanwhile, so let's look at the code. So if you want to copy the code again, you can go to admin. For this particular so you can get the code here. So this is the code which we are going to paste if we are doing it in a theme modification way, but since we are doing it on a plugin, so we need to identify the unique identifier for our account, so which is nothing but GTM hyphen whatever the digits you have. So this is your unique ID for your Google Tag Manager account, not the account, for the container. So you just copy the unique ID, and yeah, this plugin has been installed. So activate the plugin. So you can see the message: to start using Google Tag Manager for WordPress, please enter your GTM ID. So click on enter your GTM ID. So whatever we have copied, you just paste it here. So you have container code placement here. So by default Google Tag Manager suggests the code to be placed right after the body tag. Since it is a JavaScript code, the plugin, the creator, so he has provided the default place to be footer of the page, which is fine. So we can go ahead and save the changes. There you go. So you have successfully installed Google Tag Manager on your WordPress site. So that's it for today. We'll look at how to test Google Tag Manager on your website. So how to see whether Google Tag Manager has been implemented properly or not, whether it is working fine or not. We'll look into that in the next video. Thank you.